Hello everyone, welcome to Aryabhata Ashram. Today we are going to carry forward the questions of vector analysis. And before we do so, we are coming up with online mathematics test series that is commencing from 31st of January 2021. And it is a sectional test so that you can check your efficacy of your preparation. And a lot of questions came from our test papers. And in times to come, we will give you more details on that. So there are 12 sectional tests and 2 full tests, and these are your highlights, and you can register to take the test. Okay, so now we are going to take the question. That is your question number 8b. Question number 8b, it says that we have to evaluate the surface integral. Okay, surface integral, and this is the curl of f dot n cap ds and vector field is given as y I cap plus x minus 2x j cap minus xy k cap, and S is the surface of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square above the xy plane. Now this question is of 15 marks, and it is highly expected that you solve this question by what has been given. So we will first of all find the curl of f. Okay, so this is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, and dou by dou z. Values are y, x minus 2xz, and minus x of y. This is your I cap. So if we do, this is your minus of x minus plus minus j cap, and this is your dou by dou x, so that is your minus of cap, and dou z, dou by over dou z is equal to 0 plus k cap. Finally we have 1 minus 2z and minus of 1. So we got our curl. So this is nothing but x I cap plus y j cap minus of 2z k cap. Okay, now it is given that the surface is a sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a above xy plane. Okay, so we are interested in n cap, so we will parameterize this, so we can write r in terms of r theta. Okay, so this is your r cos theta, r sin theta, and above xy plane z is equal to 0. So this is what we have done in the previous question also, that is your 7th question that we did last time, and we will follow the same standard procedure. So we are interested in n cap, so we can write the cross product of r in cross r theta, r into r, and we want our ds, which is projection on this, so this is your dot with k cap. Okay, so this is what we are following the standard formulas, and we will see that you can do any of the questions. Okay, so let's first of all find r derivative. So this is your cos theta, this is your sin theta, and this is your 0. Secondly, for r theta, if we differentiate, this is your minus r sin theta, r cos theta, and 0. Okay, so this is what it is. Now we will take the cross product. Cross product is your I, j, and k cap. You can write this is your how much? Cos theta sin theta 0 minus r sin theta, r cos theta, and 0. So we can see how I component is your 0, so is also your j component, but k component, if you will do, this is your r cos square theta plus r sin square theta. Okay, so these are some of the things. Now r cross into r into r theta, this is your r cap. So our n cap is nothing but, so what is this value? This is r, its modulus is r, so we get n cap is equal to k cap. So we can write our ds, which is given in the question, as dx dy into n dot k cap. So this is nothing but your dx dy. Okay, so we have just followed the standard procedure and we will just put all of them. And it is very important that you don't change into the line integral, because line integral, when do you change? Interconversion, when it becomes very difficult to find the integral in one of the formats. Okay, so there, this is a mathematics paper. The method is very important. The method by which they have given, you have to choose. If in the extreme case, you can use the hacks, another thing, but here it is prudent that you do it by the standard thing, that you have to evaluate the curl and put that's what they are checking, that whether you do it with that or not. Otherwise you can also verify using line integral, which you will do, but it is important that you do it. This is the important thing that you must bear in your mind. So we will start with this. We'll put the values. Okay, and this is the surfaces. So this is how much? Xi cap plus yj cap minus 2z k cap dot, what is your n cap? This is your k cap, and what is this? Dx dy upon 1, because this is k. Okay, so this is over this surface. Okay, so finally what we are left with, minus 2z dx dy over this surface. Now over the xy plane, z is equal to 0, so we can further write this as minus 2z, and we can change using Jacobian from x dy into r dx theta. So above xy plane, z is equal to 0, so this your surface integral amounts to 0. So you have to always keep in your mind that you have to evaluate by surface integral. Okay, do it by surface integral. Okay, and not directly convert into line integral. Okay, so marks may be deducted for that. Okay, because they are specifically asking you to evaluate, so you have to evaluate, but whatever has been given in the question, if you do not follow, then marks will be deducted. If you are not knowing, then that's fine, you will get some marks. Okay, so let's try with the line integral as well. If we do it, f dot dr, so f dot dr is nothing but, we have given what is our f, we can write from the top. F is yi cap x minus 2xz, y I cap plus x minus 2xz minus xy k cap. Now you do the dot product, d xi cap plus y dy j cap plus, so this is nothing but your y dx plus x minus 2x z dy minus xy dz. So above xy plane z is equal to 0, so you end up with this line integral. Okay, so this is your perfect integral. So it will turn out to be, suppose what you have taken, x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta, and z is equal to 0, this way, right? So you can put this value. This is your a cos theta sin theta. So integral of differentiation is nothing but, you can write this as 2 into 2. This is your 2 times c d of sine 2 theta. Okay, so if you write this here, that is 2 times, we're writing it a square by 2 upon this integral sine 2 theta. So this is a square by 2 and our limits is from 0 to 2 pi for this circle. So this is 0. Okay, so we have seen that our answer has been verified. In both the cases we are getting 0. So this question was for 15 marks. It is very important that you solve it by the given procedure. Okay, if that doesn't work out, if the integration become tough or it's very lengthy, then you can convert it, and that is the whole purpose of interconversion from line to surface integral and vice versa. Okay, so thank you.